Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best Dyson vacuum for hardwood floors you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many Dyson vacuum for hardwood floors and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each Dyson vacuum for hardwood floors so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying a Dyson vacuum for hardwood floors. First, focus on suction power that's strong yet gentle to avoid scratching your floor. Choose models with soft roller heads designed specifically for hard surfaces, as they pick up fine dust effectively without leaving marks. Consider the vacuum's weight and maneuverability, since lightweight designs make cleaning easier on hardwood. Battery life is also important if you prefer cordless models, ensuring you can cover large areas without frequent charging. Check for advanced filtration systems that trap dust and allergens, keeping your indoor air cleaner. Lastly, look for convenient features like easy bin emptying, multi-surface attachments, and quiet operation. Taking these points into account will help you find the perfect Dyson for your hardwood floors. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.